All right, so here we are. Last video was around October. Now it's January 8th, and we're back to pick up the boat. This week we're gonna try and pull the engine out. Then we're gonna take it to a local shop here in town and get them to rebuild it, and then we'll reinstall it. All right, the boat is back. It's a little bit later now. Decided on where we're gonna get the engine rebuilt. So take the cover off and start taking the engine out. All right, so inside here, picking up where we left off with the last video. If you haven't seen that, it'll be in the description. Got the intake off last video. Now we're just pulling the rest of the wiring off. So it's all just sitting there in a rat's nest. There's the one signal wire that controls from the dashboard and everything. And then other than that, all the wiring's off. So we're pretty much ready to pull it out. Just gotta undo the drive shaft down there and then the motor mounts, and then we'll yank it right on out of here. Yep. So now we got this set up, got the skid steer up with the chain hoist, and we got a lifting ring there, and we're gonna yank it out. Here, put some blocks under it, made sure not to pinch anything like the drain line. The idea is to put it back in the shop and then take off the transmission, but either way it came out really smooth, so quite pleased with this. There we go. It is all done, all torn apart, ready to send it off to the engine shop. So gonna have to obviously get a new block. Then we'll probably bore it about 30 over or so. And new pistons, new rings, bearings, timing set. Gonna keep the crankshaft and the camshaft, go through the heads and all that stuff, probably some new push rods. Really just do a whole refresh on everything, and then we'll be good to go. So if you're excited to see that video, be sure to subscribe, and that'll be out whenever we get the engine back.